And I know they are them probably gonna think I'm mad. But guess what? Sometimes to get along, you have to go along. You overs. Watch a style. You have the little community tourism at one. You see me? You have your little business at one. Remember the last time? Peer police are running and and people that get scared and clients who would have did come probably never want to come and you know what I mean? And all of this controversy we can avoid. Cause as far as when me go over as when I tell the little young lady down there so he might refer to I and I pass. I and I know. The I them know cause it wasn't a secret. See I and I never come up nice.
I know you alone not grow up nice. Me not grow up nice. You not grow up nice. Remember you know, we never born uptown you know. So you see film uptown knowledge, a joke thing to our street knowledge.
Me glad you just say that. Because like I and I were born long before the I them. Me almost sure all on the first introduction to griminess is through politicians and politics. You see, the same history where I beat me for, them was the same one that give me the introduction. You hear? By starting by getting paid, figure paint political colors and slogans in a rival communities till it spin off where we start paint the rival painters with our colors. Before you know it, the first set of high power rifle and our drugs reach Jamaica under the auspices of the CIA. These are the same people who promise road, promise this, promise that. Look for the state of crime in the country, my brother. Eh?
Between me and you still, feel like we play along, you know. Play them game, man. Cause guess what? Can't fight fire with fire. Remember, you know, them powerful. All what go on. You get to me I say. So I could just play along and make him feel like so we don't know what go on.
You know exactly where me there. Cause I don't want to use my past for reign terror. Well not because that's still not gonna achieve the peace. Right, that's how we did.
Yeah, I don't say still now, but when you say rain terror, you know, that me depend on the king, cause you see this time is modern and I'm scared you know what you know.
We don't have nothing else to say then.
Right, this sir. Make him come. Minister Wallace. Let's teach you.
Carlton. I know that no put up on the side for Bridget. Carlton. A news carrier you call me. Eh? Oh you Carlton, this not right you know brother. A farm here you come from you know. So this should not go on. Yo, things should not go on so between me and your brother. Hold on them. Pause. Hold on. You're right. Me you come from far, that's why you're not dead. When you send man to come kill me in a jail, where you think that happen when I come out here? I never send him to kill you, Carlton. I just scare him, send him to scare you. But him take it to a next level. Trevor, let me tell you this. The only reason why you're up on this site, the only reason why I'm going to give you called the tours to work, I become a rate you. Because kill me shall kill you. So be grateful to me show you a lifeline. Yeah, you give me a lifeline, yes. But brother, you don't feel like say a time for you to stop punish me now. Eh? Time for you to stop punish me now because you have me as gardener boy and called the tours. Now you have to turn me a watchman. Now me as stone a supervisor for me. You have more potential than that, Carlton. And you know that too. Alright, Trevor. What do you want? All me I beg you for do, I just sublet some of the work to me. Alright. Because we're good on the carpentry part of things. So, every project we may do, everything we have to do with the carpentry part of it, you know, the box up and set up, are gonna be yours. But Trevor, let me warn you, this is the last time I've done the ramping with you. If you try cut my foot from under me again, you have a 6'6".
Carlton, it's a more than a lifeline. It's coming like I want hand when you do it.
Alright Trevor, now better get emotional. Come, you need to go finish your rehearsal. And you need to talk with more gusto. You can't so high pitch. Come here!
Yo, come in!
Yeah. Oh, you're right. Yeah.
Hey, yeah. Oh, we'll take Batman for.